10 cool new gadgets to keep on your radar. Stay ahead of the curve with the latest tech releases. Andover Audio. Published 1 hour ago. Updated 23 hours ago. A new week brings a fresh batch of tech and gadgets, and this week's highlights include Samsung's the Movingstyle, a 27-inch touchscreen display with a rollable stand, making it a portable TV you can position anywhere in your home. The stand also features a swiveling arm for landscape or portrait mode and a 3-hour battery life. Bang & Olufsen Beolab 90 Titan Edition, a stripped-down, hand-finished, precision-milled aluminum version of the iconic Beolab 10, emphasizing material purity and performance-led design. Eversolo DAC Z10, a high-resolution digital-to-analog converter that also functions as a headphone amplifier or preamplifier, featuring a proprietary fully isolated architecture for minimal interference. Nomad Tracking Card Pro, an upgraded Bluetooth tracker compatible with Apple's Find My network, offering longer battery life and a flat-edge design for better disguise as a credit card. Andover Audio SpinPlay Record Player, an affordable, portable all-in-one turntable with ISO Groove technology for superior sound quality. TCL T7 Series 4K QLED TVs, budget-friendly QLED 4K TVs with premium specs, including a 144 Hz refresh rate and HDR support. Final Audio Tonalite, wireless earbuds with active noise cancellation and personalized timbre, rivaling Apple's AirPods Pros. Valve Steam Machine, a plug-and-play console from the PC gaming experts, featuring impressive specifications. DJI Neo 2, a budget-friendly selfie drone with improved video quality, longer battery life, and enhanced object avoidance. Azla Aries Clear, wired earbuds with a transparent design, dual driver system, and Kevlar-reinforced cable for competitive FPS gamers. Stay tuned for more tech updates and product reviews.